Good afternoon, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. Today I'm going to show you our 2014 Toyota Sienna. This unit has 60,000 miles on it. It's got a 3.5 liter V6. This is a rear entry conversion. It has an ATS manual ramp, and we're going to get right into that. It's a one solid piece ramp. It's not a trifold. Got a clamp on each side. Releases the ramp. Got a handle up here on each side. Just grab it, walk it on down to the ground. It is a spring assisted ramp. It's very easy to put down and take up. If you can pick up a half gallon of milk, you can easily operate one of these manual ramps. That ramp you're looking at there is a 36-inch wide ramp. The entryway into the van is 56 inches high. The interior height is 58 inches. This is an ADA compliant van. If you're using this commercially, it has everything you need. We've got 8 tie down points, 2 in the front, 4 here in the middle, 2 in the back. This alley can fit 2 wheelchairs or a gurney. You got 2 passenger seats here in the back. It's a vinyl, easy to keep clean. Up front here you've got full climate control. You got climate control for your passenger, for your driver, and also rear controls. And then back here, your passengers have controls as well. Headliner's in great shape. Van's very clean. No odors, no pet odors. And with that, we're gonna go ahead and put our ramp back up. Again, it's got a handle on either side, left or right. We're gonna go to the right side. I'm just gonna pick it up here with 2 fingers. It's spring assisted. Goes up with very little effort, and then it'll find its way home. Gonna take our clamps, stick it down. Your ramp's put away. All right, we're gonna do a walk around of this van. Again, this is a 2014, 60,000 miles on it. It's considered low mileage, very clean. It's not a perfect van, but somebody has obviously taken pretty good care of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the van. I'm going to try to point out anything I think the camera is not going to get for you at home. Our ideas for these videos is to make sure for our out-of-state customers or customers who just can't get by the office and take a look at the van in person, that they can watch these videos, and when a van arrives to their front door, they know exactly what they're getting. Body panels are straight, paint's in great condition. Tires still got some life to them. Got some scratches here. There's a few scratches on the body. I noticed them we're right in the direct sunlight. They're actually not sticking out. But I noticed in a little bit of shade, there's a few more scratches that could probably maybe get buffed out. Nothing severe. Bit of a blemish there. Overall, very clean 2014. Nice van. It's got the sliders on both sides. This is the L model. Power windows and power locks. Dash is very clean, no cracks and scratches. Looks like I got some burn holes here. I'm gonna guess maybe a cigarette at one time, but again, I'll say it again, I do not smell cigarette smoke in this van. Glass, I don't see any chips in it. Glass is in good shape. All the slider doors operate like they should, nice and smooth. Alright, I'm going to show you all the dash lights on this 2014. Everything does turn on. We're going to turn the engine over. Of course, all of our lights go out. There's a seatbelt light because I do not have the seatbelt on. This van has 60,531 current miles on it. Radio works. Air conditioning works, thank goodness. It is a hot day here in Kansas. There we go. Turn that down so everybody can hear us. We're going to test our windows. It's got the rear windows that slide down. And of course, it's got the lockout if you want to lock your windows. We're going to test our mirror. Alright, let's take a quick look under the hood. Alright, under the hood again, it's got the 3.5 liter V6. Good Toyota motor. I don't hear any squeals, any ticks. I like to do this with the AC compressor running. It is running. There's no squealing coming from it. Underneath, there's no rust buildup. Maybe a little surface rust that is expected, but even for that, very minimum. This is very important. If you are looking at buying a vehicle sight unseen, make sure your seller gets down, gets a video much like this done. You go and you spend thousands of dollars on a vehicle. You get it to your home, you go to get it inspected with your local DMV, and they can't pass inspection because it is nothing but rust underneath. You just bought yourself a paperweight. If your seller cannot give 10 minutes of his time into your investment and get underneath that car for you, I strongly would question who you're buying from. Alright, we're going to take this 2014 out on a quick test drive. We're going to do our test drive here real quick, but before we do that, I want to point out the manual does go with this van. It also has 2 key fobs along with 2 keys. If you'd like to have extra keys made, do let us know. We can save you quite a bit of money over your local dealers. For example, we just replaced a caravan key for one of our customers. They bought a van, and unfortunately their van only came with 1 key. Local dealer wanted $250. We got it done for $150. So we're not trying to nickel and dime our customers. We just want to make sure they're happy. So we're going on this test drive real quick. Again, this thing has 60,000 miles. The point of this test drive is so you can hear the transmission shift, the engine run. I am turning the air conditioning down, not because of lack of power, just so you can hear everything moving. $70 miles an hour, van drives straight, no shimmying in the steering wheel, does not pull left or right. Very smooth ride. Cruise control set. And as always with these ATS conversions like this one has back there, I like to point out how quiet the ride is. You don't hear a lot of clanking. The design they use, not having a folding ramp, is very nice. It is hard in a lot of these vans to hold a conversation with your passengers, whether you're driving a van commercially or just your family is loaded in it. It is kind of nice to have conversations at times. We're going to come up here. I'm going to attempt a hard brake on the van. Show you there's no pulling in the steering wheel. Hand off. Steering wheel did not shimmy, didn't shake, didn't pull one way or the other. right, that's the 2014 Toyota Sienna. Unit has 60,000 miles on it. It's got that rear entry ATS manual ramp conversion in the back. Not a lot to go wrong with that design. We've been using them for years. We really enjoy them. They seem to have a really great product. Easy to maintain, just not enough to go wrong with them, to be quite honest with you. And you put that on top of a Toyota, you probably got a nice setup for many years. Again, this van's been well taken care of. It's a one owner, no accident van. Interior is in great shape. Does have that spot right there I pointed out on the chair. If you have any questions about this van or any of our vans, especially the ones that we provide free shipping with in the lower 48 states, give us a call. Our number is 316-262-8267. You can always reach us at mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com, where we've got over 450 positive comments on eBay, not a single negative comment in nearly 8 years of business, and 100% satisfaction rating with our Better Business Bureau. We like to take quality products and get them out to the customers at an affordable cost. If you have any questions or you'd like to see more pictures of this van, or you'd like to see more video of a certain part of a van, give us a call. 316-262-VANS. 316-262-VANS. Thank you.